Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I want to show you a new feature from Book Creator called Autodraw. Now, this feature was added just a few days ago, and it's a really great option for people like me who have a little trouble drawing. So, I have a Book Creator book open, and I'm obviously on a blank canvas. In the upper right corner, just hit that Add Media button just like you would do for anything else. Now click on the pen icon and we see our drawing tools right up here. Now we have these nice new tools, but also the auto draw function. So I select auto draw, and let's say I want to try to draw a picture of a frying pan, and I'm not so good at doing that. So what's it trying to do here? It's trying to figure out what I'm drawing, and I'm trying to draw a frying pan. And now I can insert that in there, and it will allow me to click and drag and expand it or contract it. I can even change the color, so if I wanted it to be a nice shade of blue or purple, I can do that. I can make it green if I like. So that's how you can use the new Auto Draw feature that's available in Book Creator. As always, for more tips and tricks like this, please check out freetech4teachers.com and practicaledtech.com.